Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Lakshmikant Shetgaonkar's script was rejected by a non-filmy committee. Prudent Media brings to you the hardships of Poltod Somunis, rejected by Goa government. Mickey gets anticipatory bail by Sessions Court on Saturday. In second application, expresses confidence in judiciary, says cops are biased. Environmentalists come together to save Western Ghats, demand constitution of Western Ghats Conservation Authority. Kasauli Primary Health Center in unhygienic condition, patients treated only during daytime, sent home at night. A Prudent Media exclusive. Suspense on I-League home venue is over. Nehru Stadium all set to host October 3rd clash between Salgaonkar and Viva Kerala. And St. Xavier's College clinched double crown in varsity basketball. Don Bosco finished second best. And now the news in detail. Why did the Goa government reject the storyline of international award winner Lakshmikant Shetgaonkar's Poltod Somunis? The reason is simple. There was not a single person on the screening committee who had in-depth knowledge about cinema. The committee members now claim that Shetgaonkar later on changed the storyline while giving it to the National Development Film Corporation. The fact is much different. NFDC had selected his script much before it was submitted to the Goa government. Watch a Prudent Media exclusive.
It was a skin-saving exercise for the screening committee members. They started claiming that Shetgaonkar might have changed the storyline after they rejected it. Do you know what is the reality? See this letter written by the NFDC on 18th June 2004. It states clearly that his story of Poltod Somunis has been selected. But poor Shetgaonkar could not produce the film due to lack of funds. Meanwhile, he got a national award in 2005 for his non-feature Marathi film Eka Sagar Kinari. He then applied for Goa government's grants with the same storyline in 2006. It was rejected. Came 2007. British Council in a workshop held in Goa selected the same story of Poltod Somunis from among 700 stories. Same year, the NFDC also had a workshop in Goa. They not only selected Poltod Somunis from among 60 scripts but even offered to finance it. The result? Poltod Somunis became the first Konkani film to get an international award at Toronto Film Festival. But our own Goa government rejected it. The screening committee did not have a single person having in-depth knowledge of cinema. Information Director Minin Piris, however, still defends his committee.
फिल्माचे अनुभव आशिल्लो फिल्मान काम केल्ले कितले जालें
फिल्माचे अनुभव आशिल्लो म्हणजे फिल्मां करपी प्रदीप तारालेकर हो फिल्म डायरेक्टर मागीर परेश जोशी हो फिल्मांतूनच काम केल्लो मनीस तो कला अकादमीचो फिल्म क्लब आहा ताजो तो प्रेसिडेंट आसा आनी फिल्मा विशीं ताका खूब जाणविकाय आसा तेच भशेन श्री सुरेश वाळवे पळय आसा ताचें लिखाण फिल्मांचेर भयंकर आसा शिला कळमकार आनी ताजे तमाजीन काडदोस फिल्मांचेर बरयतात ते.
Piris claims that Pradeep Talaolikar is a film director. Actually, Mr. Talaolikar has only one film to his credit. It was Bodha Chakra in 1992 produced by their group Mitra Mandal. He was the producer. Its director was Dharmanand Vernekar. The screening committee chairman was Paresh Joshi. He is a theatre personality. He has no experience of cinema. He does not even know how to judge a good cinema from the storyline. He is also not prepared to speak about why the film was rejected.
आमच्याकडे आयिल्ली ती स्क्रिप्ट टोरंटो गेल्या ती फिल्म हो भाग तुम्ही लक्षात घेवपा सारको स्क्रिप्टा वयल्यान फिल्म कशी आसा ते कळना दुसरी आसा की इट इज अ रेस 25 लोक जेन्ना धांवता तातूंत कोण तरी पयलो येता कोण तरी दुसरो येता थंय हे 25 आशिल्ले जाल्यार हातूंतलो सुद्दां मनीस थंय पयलो येतलो आशिल्लो शेटगांवकर तातूंत येतलोच आशिल्लो अशी गॅरंटी ना सो थंय स्कीम थंय कितले लोक आशिल्ले आनी थंय कितल्यो स्कीम आशिल्ल्यो हाजेर म्हाका दिसता हें सगळें अवलंबून आसता ताजेर आतां खरें विचार करचो न्ही कित्याक इट्स अ रेस पण 42 स्क्रिप्टान जागी स्क्रिप्ट सिलेक्ट जाली ना हाजेर लोकांनी खरेंच तेन्ना ताजेर वायट अशें अशें कोणाक तातूंतल्यान उलट खरें अशें दिसता की कोणा मनशा कडेन पळोवन कोणें ताका त्या फिल्माक आमी सिलेक्ट करूं नाशिल्ल्यो थंय सिलेक्ट करतना क्रायटेरिया फक्त शुद्ध स्क्रिप्ट इतलोच दवरिल्लो सांग.
The information director says Tomazin Cardoz was appointed on a committee because he is a theatrist and a writer. Cardoz claims that Shetgaonkar might have changed the storyline after their committee rejected it.
सगळे जे पळय स्क्रीन कमिटीन आसले तेच सांगता न्हू ताची फकत काणीच देखलेली आनी ते एकल्याचें वो दोगांचें अशें मत नासलें तें सगळ्यांकूच दिसलेलें की ही काणी फावो तशी ना. आतां त्या उपरांत ताणें तातूंत स्क्रीन प्ले बरोवन तो जर तो समजा आनी कोणाक दाखयल्या तातूंत तो सुदारना तें दुसरें आसा.
Even this claim is not fully true. Prudent investigation reveals that Shetgaonkar had even submitted a screenplay along with his storyline. In spite of this, the committee rejected the Young National Award winner's application. It is an original story adrushed by Sahitya Academy winner Mahabaleshwar Sel. He refuses to buy the argument that his storyline is being changed.
त्याच माझ्या अदृष्ट कथेचे अवलंबून आसा तो तीच कथा वस्तू आसा तेच रान तीच मनशां तेच पात्रां आनी तेंचे सगळे भावसंबंध तेंचे वैफल्य तेंचे नैराश्य आनी तांचे जे प्रकृती विकृती ज्या कथेत जे दाखयला तो प्रभाव पुराय त्या कथेत आसा.
Shetgaonkar has still not arrived from Toronto, but the artists in his film are enraged over these cheap arguments by the screening committee members. One of these artists, Prashanti Talpankar, has given an open challenge to the screening committee to make the storyline and the screenplay public.
म्हणजे युनिटातल्या खंयच्याच लोकांनी हो सिनेमा पळोवंक ना. जसो सिनेमा तयार जालो तसो तांणी तो टोरोंटोक सिलेक्शनाक धाडलो. तर स्क्रीनिंग कमिटीच्या मेंबरांनी हो सिनेमा खंय पळयलो म्हणजे ते इतले छाती ठोकून सांगता की आतांच्या पिक्चराची काणी आनी तांकां दिल्ली जी स्क्रिप्ट आसा ती वेगळी आशिल्ली हें तांकां कशें कळ्ळें. तिसरी गजाल आमी इतलो वाद कित्याक करत बसचें. सादी सोपी गजाल आसा. ताणें जी स्क्रिप्ट सिलेक्शन कमिटी कडेन दिल्ली ताजी कॉपी सगळ्यां कडेन आसतलीच. तांणी ती कॉपी सगळ्यांक दाखोवची.
May it be a routine bureaucratic exercise for the government. But the International Award has proved what kind of injustice it can make to the talented young artists of Goa. Well, it's a real challenge now for Chief Minister Digambar Kamath to reconstitute the screening committee with those who know what cinema is. Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli, in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar and Anil Sanadi.
Sessions Court has granted second anticipatory bail to Mickey Pacheco on Saturday. Mickey had moved a petition in Sessions Court to grant him second anticipatory bail on Friday. Earlier on the 24th of September, Mickey was granted a conditional bail on the condition of 2 days attendance at Donapal Crime Branch. Mickey has expressed confidence in judiciary but charged that the cops are biased.
Mickey Pacheco was granted an anticipatory bail on 24th September on the condition that he should mark his attendance at Donapal Crime Branch on 25th and 26th September between 10 am to 12 pm. Mickey informed Session Court that he would report to Crime Branch on 29th and 30th September instead of 25th and 26th September as he is suffering from chest pain. Mickey's advocate moved a plea for second anticipatory bail on Friday. On Saturday morning, Sessions Court granted second anticipatory bail to Mickey in second CR.
कोणाचेर विश्वास आसा? विश्वास कोणाचेर ना न्हू. थंय म्हाका फकत ज्युडिशियरी विश्वास आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसता मुगे कितें इश्यू अशें आसा हांव ज्युडिशियरी संपून दवरतलो. ज्युडिशियरी कितें आसा तें करता. म्हाका I trust on judiciary, not on with the cops, because cops are biased.
Mickey's advocate informed that the bail has been granted on the personal bond of 5,000 rupees.
On today's application for the anticipatory bail, the crime branch filed an objection that they wanted a custodial interrogation. However, during the course of argument, it was found that these two sections, 352 and 506 part 2, in fact, bailable. And otherwise also, on going through the complaint, absolutely there was no case for the crime branch, because nowhere in the complaint they allege that Mickey Pacheco was involved in any incident of 29 or 30th. So this suffice to grant an anticipatory bail. And in fact, the Honorable Judge was pleased to grant an order, rather that Mickey Pacheco should report on the 29th and 30th between the same timings, between 10 to 12, and execute a bail bond of rupees 5,000.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Time now for a short break. Stay tuned.